talking about the Olaplex treatment. This treatment is something that I use in my salon every single day. This treatment I use on mostly my blondes or color clients. I'm going to explain Olaplex to you guys the way that I explain it to my clients. Olaplex is a rebonding treatment. So what I mean by that is when we're going into your hair with lightener, perms, color, anything that's going to alter it chemically, we're breaking your disulfide bonds. Olaplex goes into your hair and grabs those disulfide bonds and it multiplies them and linking them back together. This is what's going to help you stay healthier. This is going to help us go lighter if you're trying to go blonde. This is going to help us keep the integrity of your hair. And Olaplex is something that's not to be confused with the hair mask. This is a treatment. This isn't something that's just going to lay over your hair and it's going to be gone the next time you wash it. This is something that over time is going to rebuild and rebond your hair to be a lot stronger and healthier. The cool thing about Olaplex is that you can use it in many different ways. You can put it in your color and you can also use it as a standalone treatment. Another cool thing about the Olaplex treatment is that it's patented. So whatever composes the Olaplex treatment itself cannot be remade, cannot be replaced, cannot be copied. This is the only treatment of its kind. We have a 1 through 7. The 1 and 2 are used in salon by professionals only, and then the 3 through 7 to use at home for maintenance on your hair. So I've had clients come in with broken hair, over-processed hair, hair that's been lightened a little too far where it cannot take any more lightening. Sometimes I offer a pre-treatment. So I'll have them come in, do an Olaplex treatment, and then about 2 weeks to a month after that treatment, come back in and then we'll start lightening their hair. I'm constantly recommending this treatment in my salon. I'm also really good about asking clients how their last treatment was, and everyone seems to really love it. My personal experiences with Olaplex have been only great. I have naturally curly hair. I have noticed after I've used an Olaplex treatment and I let my hair air dry overnight, my hair feels a lot more bouncy. I see my curls come back. My curls feel good. They feel alive. Now, the number 3 is usually maintenance after your 1 and 2. I recommend my clients to use this once a week after their 1 and 2 and to use it in between their hair color appointment. The 4 through 7 are also maintenance. These help your hydrogen bonds. Your disulfide bonds are chemically altered. Your hydrogen bonds are the bonds that are broken with heat and water. When you have curly hair and you straighten over it, you're breaking your hydrogen bonds. Once you put water on that hair, those bonds are broken again, taking your hair back to your natural state. The 4 through 7 are really the ones that are going to be helping those bonds reconnect. As far as Olaplex number 7, I actually did like it. I didn't know how to use it at first. I was going like this to it, and it turns out this is how you spill out the right amount. I kind of wanted to show how my hair looks. It definitely looks a lot shinier, a lot better than it did when I first started the video. But I don't know, I think I need to try it out a little bit more to really be able to say it. As you can see here, I can't even pull my fingers through my ends. I have previously processed hair and I'll be showing you how I go from this to this using the Olaplex treatment. This is just another example of how brittle and how dry my ends are. I'm starting out by rinsing my hair and not shampooing just yet. Here I'm starting my number 1 and 2 Olaplex. The number 1 and 2 is only offered in salon by professionals only. The number 1 treatment is left in your hair for 5 minutes. This is followed by a number 2 treatment, which is left in your hair for a minimum of 10 minutes. On my clients, I usually focus this treatment on the ends because that's where I see the integrity mostly compromised. So now we're using the Olaplex number 3. This is your take-home treatment. It's a treatment that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens your hair, so it repairs your damaged and compromised hair. This also strengthens and protects your hair structure. This is left on for 10 minutes on rinsed hair, not shampooed. After the 10 minutes, you can then go ahead and shampoo with your 4 and 5 by Olaplex, which is the shampoo and conditioner. The number 4 and 5 are great for bond maintenance. It helps furthermore reduce breakage and it repairs and maintains the bonds. Number 5 is great for adding shine and keeping the frizz away. The number 6 is a leave-in smoothing cream. This helps to strengthen, hydrate, and moisturize your hair. It also helps to eliminate frizz. Last but not least, number 7, bonding oil. This can be used on wet or dry hair. It's great because it provides heat protection up to 450 degrees. The number 7 can strengthen and protect your hair as well as restoring luster and shine. Here my hair is about 90% dry and you can totally tell the difference from when I didn't have Olaplex in. Once my hair was completely dry, I brushed through a little bit more of that bonding oil through my ends. I then straightened it and I immediately noticed how healthy it looked. It was very shiny and it had a lot of movement. Like I said, this is one of my favorite treatments. This is something that I'm always going to be doing. This is something that I do on myself at home, and I'm constantly keeping up with all of the products. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to message me and ask.